Hey friends, I am Adit and you are watching Simplify Math. In today's video, we will learn how to quickly calculate squares of numbers ending in 1, like 21, 31, 51, 61. If somebody asks you what is the square of 51, it is 2601 in no time. You want it for 41, it will be 1681. How do I do this calculation? No, I have not memorized all the squares, but I have a neat trick. And to understand the trick, let's go to algebra. So let's first understand the trick and then we'll dive into the algebra behind it. So if we take any two-digit number, say start with the smallest one, 11, when we do the square, the answer will always be 4 digits. Now, the first two digits are the square of the first digit here. So 1, the square is 1, and the last digit is always 1. Now we're left with one digit in between, which is 2 times the 10th digit here. So 2 times 1 is 2, and hence the square of 11 is 121. Same way, if I'm going for 21, then the first two digits are the square of 2, which is 4. The third digit is 2 times the first digit, which is again 4, and the last digit is always 1. 31, the first two digits are the square of 3, which is 9. The third digit is 2 times 3, which is 6, and the last digit is always 1. The calculation gets a little trickier when we are dealing with numbers greater than 41. So we know the first two digits are the square of the number, and then there is a third digit, and the last digit is always 1. It gets trickier because 2 times 5 is 10, and we only have one digit here. So that second digit gets added to this digit here. So it becomes, instead of 5, it becomes 6, and the 0 stays right here. Say if it is 81, so we know the square of 8 is 64, the last digit is always 1, and 2 times 8 is 16, so we write the 6 here, and then 1 gets added to the 4, and it becomes 6561. Coming to the algebra behind the equation, we know any two-digit number is that ends with 1 is written as 10x plus 1, where x is the 10th digit. So if it is 41, x is 4. If it is 31, x is 3. And we are trying to find the square of that number. So if we apply the formula of a plus b whole square, we have a square, which is nothing but 10x square, which is 100 times x square, then 10 times x into 2 into 1, which is 10 times 2x, and then plus the square of 1, which is 1. So this is a general formula for any three-digit number. So x square is the 100th digit, 2x is the 10th digit, and 1 is the ones digit. And that's how our formula works. But when 2x becomes a two-digit number, then some part of it, or basically the 10th part of it, gets added to the square. Hope you enjoyed the video. Scan the QR code to check out my website. And if you have any questions, drop a mail to simplifymathwithadit@gmail.com.